guys. So I'm gonna be extremely honest. I did break my fast probably at like 9 or 10 p.m. Today I might actually do it till like 6 p.m. But it really just depends. I don't know if we're doing something today or not. If we are doing something later, then I probably will eat something. So yeah, we'll see. It's 12:07. I'm about to eat one of these, which is 150 calories. This is naan. Leftovers from yesterday. This is chana masala, so chickpeas and an Indian sauce. Not sure all the ingredients, but you could probably say this is about a cup. And this is my protein. So I'm gonna eat this with the naan. So this is my first meal of the day, meal number one. So this is how I typically make my own juice at home. I use some agave. So 1 tablespoon of this is 60 calories. I just put like a tiny squirt in there, so we could probably say a third of 60. So about 20 calories. I used this many strawberries, and I'll just fill it up to how many ever strawberries are in there sorry, I can't talk today, y'all. I fill it up with spring water. So I'm about to blend this, and then after I blend it, well, I'll just show y'all. Okay, we about to blend this up. Okay, so I'll say the only pro and con to like making your own juice. So say for instance, like this time, if the fruit is bitter and sour, guess what? Your drink is probably about to be sour. But if your fruit is more on the sweeter side, mixed with the agave, it can taste really good to me because I prefer stuff to be sweeter. But these are a little bit sour. I don't feel like adding any more agave to it, so I'm just about to drink it, and like it is what it is. It is a bit thicker, so if you don't like your juice to have like the strawberry chunks, all that in there, you probably won't like a drink like this. But I mean, there's always like the nut milk bags and stuff that you can like squeeze to make your own juice and not have any of like the pulp from like oranges or the strawberry chunks from strawberries, or just like the chunks of fruit that are still going to be in your juice. Okay, here's what I'm about to eat for my second meal. These are stuffed coyotes. I will link the YouTube video where I got the recipe for these. I love these, but I mean, it just depends. Like, I like these, Samaya doesn't like them. So I'm also going to be making a curry dish that she likes. But again, this is just me vlogging my journey. So these recipes are not just going to look just super pretty, but they taste to me really good. So, and this is spicy. But it's pretty much mushrooms, the inside of the coyote, or what is it called? I gotta look that up. I think it's coyote, something. But it's a Mexican vegetable or fruit. But yeah, it's just like the inside of it with mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, and that's pretty much kind of it. And then seasoning, and it's pretty good. I like it. Also, this is an alternative if you don't like stuffed bell peppers. So like I personally don't like stuffed bell peppers, so I would make something like this, or say if you did like stuffed zucchini or something, but it's pretty much the same thing. So this is homemade vegetable stock. I'm putting in, we got 2.5, I'm putting in a cup. I'm about to throw them chickpeas in it. Chickpeas in it. Put my chickpeas in it.
Yeah, make that up.
Garbanzo beans.
Man, you gotta give nobody a chance to focus.
You ain't got one of these? Oh, shoot. You better invest, because this thing is definitely worth it.
A can opener?
Hell yeah. Shoot. You know how hard it is to be turning stuff out of your hand?
You realize that ain't
And
new.
I'm about to keep this chickpea water. So quick thing for the garbanzo bean. The juice inside of it is called aquafaba. So this comes up in a lot of like recipes. So I'll just go ahead and just keep the juice in case I ever need it for something. I need to look up how long you can like keep the juice, but I ain't had it for that long, so.
Usually refrigerated though.
Yeah, you put it in the refrigerator. But there you go. From the garbanzo bean. You're supposed to use 2 cans, but somebody don't like chickpeas, so
Yeah, that's enough.
I'm gonna use 1.
Trust me, trust me. You only need 1.
But I'm about to let this sit for about, I'm gonna do 30 minutes and then check on it.
Who's a good boy named Brody? Who's a good boy named Brody? Who's a good boy named Brody?
I said my dog be named Rickety over there, bird, he be going over there and helping the birds. Okay, so now I just want to eat something sweet before I can't eat no more. So these are the Bomb Chicka Pop sweet and salty kettle corn. I actually did the Skinny Pop first, but then I just had to get these because the store was out of Skinny Pop. And when I tell you, I actually prefer these better. These taste like a lot better than the Skinny Pop. Like the Skinny Pop, like maybe ever so often you might get a kettle corn, but with these, it's like you get way more kettle corn in it. So I'm gonna do 1 cup, which is 70, because I also want to eat a ice cream bar, and I'm gonna show y'all what the ice cream bar looks like. So this is half a cup. Remember, I'm doing 1 full cup. So, all right, I'll take 1 off the top. So this is what a full cup looks like. So that's 70 calories. If I wanted to do, you know, the actual serving size, which is 2, it'd be 140. But like I said, I want my ice cream. Ready? I should maybe do a trick.
It's good. You don't like sweet stuff.
Y'all, these are freaking bomb. And they're plant-based. I'm pretty sure there's there's no milk or dairy. So good. Like, so good. 1 bar is 180 calories. So, yeah. But it gets the job done. It definitely does. So I will be eating 1 of these. And it comes with 5 of them. So, like I said, I had 1 last night. And then I'm going to eat 1 today so I don't break my fast. Oh, and I'm deciding to do 6 hours today for my fast. So I'll stop eating at 6 because it's already going on 4 right now. I wasn't really hungry till just now. So, yeah, I'll probably eat this around 5:30. But I just want to show y'all. And this is the peanut butter dark chocolate nut kind. But they had like 3 different kinds. They might have more than that. So I'm going to try the other ones eventually. But so far, I really like these. Okay, so this is my rice portion right here. I don't know about buying this type of rice from Target. And I'm pretty sure for protein, it's 1 cup. I could be wrong, or I think protein might be 1/3 of a cup, actually. So this is my protein. So I'm gonna do 1 of these, and then I'm gonna do a half of 1 of these. But this is perfect for like if you really just don't know how to measure certain stuff. Like I put different ingredients in here, so it's kind of hard for me to be like, oh, okay, it's this many calories. So it's like just measure, and you good to go. So this is meal number 3. This is my last meal. And obviously you can put as many like greens and stuff as you want on the side. So I'll probably do like just a little small salad. So pretty much something like this, but this is Samaya, so it's a lot more. Now this is a really simple, easy dish. It probably takes in total, I want to say maybe 45 minutes. And 30 minutes is like of it cooking. The 15 is just like prep and putting it on the stove. But this is a big container of food that's left. So if you got a big family, or you know, if they said rice and beans every day was gonna taste like this, then I would have been eating rice and beans a long time ago. You already know where we at. So far I have, y'all can see, this thing don't never work, y'all, sorry. But this is where I'm at right now. So I probably got like 30 minutes, 35 minutes to go. We are. Okay. All right. So I'm at 8,000. 35 minutes. Okay, so this is week 2. This is what my arms are looking like. I got my weight trainer on. So, but this is what I look like week 2. All right, 9 o'clock, got 10,000 steps. About to lay it down. I stopped eating at 5 today, so about to drink me another thing of water and call it a night. Even though I would do want some food, but I mean, I'm really not hungry. I just be liking to eat just to kind of eat because I like food. So that's the hardest thing I feel like with fasting. Like, not the fact that you're actually hungry, the fact you just want to snack on something. Especially when somebody's about to eat this stuff. So that's what somebody's about to eat. She talking about I better eat some gum. I'm about to drink my water and go to sleep, y'all. But yay, we got the 10,000 steps and we fasting. About to get there. Week 2.